Hey guys, it's Jaleisha and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a very quick and fairly easy look. I'm actually going to be recreating the look that Beyonce wore to the Global Citizen Festival. I believe Sir John did her makeup and it was gorgeous. It was so glam but yet so soft and so simple. It was like this bronzy glitter eye with a pinky nude lip, and it was like a bit of orange in the crease. It was really stunning and I was like, this look is so beautiful. Like, I had to create it. It was a look that I thought I could recreate, so I was like, let me give it a shot. And I feel like it's perfect for holidays. Like, glitter is in it, so it's perfect for the holiday. I used the Melt Cosmetics Rust Stack, and I also used 2 single eyeshadows, but it's pretty simple. This look is actually similar to a few other looks that I've done using the Melt Rust Stack, so I'll actually link those videos in the description box just in case you want to check it out, you know. Yeah, on another note, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching and don't forget to subscribe so that way you can see more videos from me. See you guys soon. Okay guys, so jumping right into it, I'm using, of course, the Melt Cosmetics Rust Stack, and I'm taking the peachy shade. Oh my gosh, I don't have anything in front of me, so this is already going bad. But I'm taking that peachy shade, and this is going to be my transition color. I did notice that Beyonce had sort of like an orangey peachy color in the crease, so then I'm going in with a NYX single shadow, and this is really going to help intensify the orange that I saw in the crease. And I'm just taking this blending brush and not being really precise and just throwing that into my crease. Next, I'm going into the shade Rust. I do know the shade. And I'm applying that into the crease as well, taking it a little bit lower than the first 2 shades. I'm sorry if you can hear Blue in the background snoring. She's like, yeah, she's asleep. And it's also raining outside, so excuse the background noises. But I'm just putting that into my crease. This look is fairly easy and it's just pretty much a warm smoky brown eye. And I'm also taking that color and just running it along my lash line as well. After I apply that shade, I'm going to take the shade Rot, which is a really dark, deep brown, like a nice chocolate brown. And I'm applying that to the crease and inner and outer corner. This is pretty much going to intensify the entire look. I love, love, love this brown shade. Like, it's no brown shade that's as dark as this one. So I'm just going a little light-handed with it and packing it into the crease and then blending it as well. Now I'm going to take this TopShop single eyeshadow. I can't remember the name, but it's a very brown, like satin shade. It's not too shimmery, but there is some shimmer in it, and I figured this will work as a base for underneath the glitter, just so that way there's a little shine, but just in case the glitter doesn't pack on the entire lid, there'll still be some sort of shine peeking through, if that makes sense. I don't know what I just said, but yeah. And I wet the brush just to make sure that I intensify it, and this will also help the glitter stick as well. And of course you want to make sure you blend out the edges. No harsh lines, girls. Blended that out. I'm just going to go back into the Rot shadow and use this nice definer brush to really push that along the lash line. Beyonce's Lord Blue. Beyonce's lower lash line was really intensified, so this is going to do the job. Now I'm taking the NYX glitter in the shade Bronze, I believe, and also Max Mixing Medium as an adhesive. And I also applied a little bit of setting powder just for the glitter fallout. So I'm putting on the adhesive with my finger and then pressing the glitter on with the same flat brush that I used on the lid to really pack it on. Applying the translucent or banana powder underneath the eye really will help catch the fallout, so that way we can just dust away the glitter afterwards. But you can always do your face first, face last, just to prevent any of that anyway. So after I dust away all of that fallout, I'm going to take the Rimmel Scandalous eye pencil in the shade Nude and run that into my waterline. She had a nude waterline. I didn't go white because it didn't look white to me, but there definitely was a brightness added to her waterline. And then I just reapplied that Rot shade to really define the lash line and get rid of any of that eye pencil that lingered. So yeah, real cute, huh? And I'm just applying my favorite mascara, and this will help get rid of any glitter that fell onto the lashes and prep them for falsies. And for falsies, I'm going to be using, of course, my Ardell 120 lashes, my go-to lashes. So yeah, and I'm just going to apply those quickly. For highlight, I'm using the Iluvsarahii and Dose of Colors highlighter in the shade Soulmate, and I'm applying this with an e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm just applying that to my cheekbones. I'm also going to apply it to my nose, a little bit on my forehead, chin. I was going all out with the highlight. I typically don't highlight all of these areas, but the photo did look really highlighted and she looked very glowy, so I definitely wanted to mimic the effect. And then I'm just going to go in with a peachy blush. This is from the Tarte and Makeupshayla collection. And I figured the peachy shade would tie in nice with the orange transition colors in the crease. For lips, I'm using, oh, what am I using? I don't remember, but it's a NYX lip liner. And then I'm going to fill in my lips slightly. And then for lipstick, I used this color from... Ooh, do I have it in front of me? Oh my gosh. I don't even remember the colors. I don't know, but it's from the beauty supply store. It's like a really pasty pale pinky nude. So this is the finished look. It's real cute. Did I nail it or not? I don't know. Y'all let me know. Of course, I had to get in some Beyonce like poses before the video ended. Are we twins or not? But this is the finished look. I went ahead and took off my ratchet scarf. I put on a hat because I did not feel like laying those edges. But yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. It's a really quick, easy, glam look inspired by Queen Bee and Sir John. Perfect for the holidays. I really hope you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.